Hi, my name is Octavia Hutchinson and I own Silently Adorable Hair Llc here in Las Vegas, Nevada. This fundraiser you have came across is a fundraiser I am raising $25,000 to start my own BB&B boutique. Well, if you're wondering what a BB&B boutique is, Silently Adorable Hair carries bath, body, and beauty products, which means you can find cold-processed soaps, yoni care, lip glosses, lotions, body sprays, occasionally during certain seasons, hair extensions, and much more. I started my business 4 years ago in 2018, and it is about time that I do an upgrade. A brick and mortar was something I wanted to do before COVID came. During the COVID pandemic, store shelves became pretty bare during all the panic shopping, and my products became a great need. The only problem was, because schools closed down, I could not create products. There's no safety in creating any products while your children are at home and you use products like lye. As you can see, I finally got some more soaps made to put into my business and schools are back in. Well, a brick and mortar is no longer something that I can do. Outside of owning a business, I also drive for the people in my home to get back and forth to work. Schedules are everywhere, and I also have 3 children. I'm also a stay-at-home mom. So opening a brick and mortar and keeping up office hours would be really impossible for me to do. My store would not really be open too often, enough to even make any profit to keep it open. So the idea came up to me October 13th. Yes, it is October 15th. I spent from sunrise to sunrise getting all the information I needed to figure out what to do. And it is a mobile boutique. As you can see here, giving you just a little sneak peek, I have drawn up blueprints for everything that I want to do. The $25,000 would allow me to secure a bus, which would usually be a school district bus from CCSD through the ones that they sell that they no longer use, or a used shuttle bus. That money would allow me to convert the inside of this bus to turn it into a retail store. It will allow me to do all the necessary things like inspections and registration and insurance to get her up and running. This would also allow me to professionally get the truck wrapped. My end goal is to make this a completely green business on wheels. But right now, my motto is to just get started. We spend too much time trying to figure out how to get things done to its complete fullest. But we have to be focused on just getting started. This $25,000 will allow me to get started. I already have the basics done. My business is already up and running, and this will allow me to do the basics to this bus that will allow me to get my boutique on wheels and bring more income into my home. All funding will go solely to getting my BB&B boutique up and running. Thank you for your time. God bless, and please share. With faith, we can do anything. And remember, the basics is to just get started.